If you don't lubricate the hinge mechanism on the fuel door, apparently it wears down fractions of a millimeter, which turns out to be enough to cause creaking, rubbing, and wearing down of your car paint to the bare metal if left untreated for long enough. In this video, we show how to fix the issue. We remove the fuel door, examine the issue, try and align the fuel door, fail to do so, and finally bend it back in place, and quickly and dirtily restore the paint inside the fuel opening. These are T30s. They're stuck on there pretty good. And you want to make sure to catch these so that they don't fall inside of the fuel hole, so you might want to cover this up with something. And we can remove the door and the cap. And it's rubbing all the way through here. I read that purportedly this happens because your hinge does not get greased often enough and rusts through and changes the relative position of the fuel door on the car. So we're going to also grease this up to prevent the issue in the future, and then bend the fuel door. Try and mount it properly, and if that mounting doesn't work, then bend it. I bet this is totally intended to be used as a whole surface refinisher. Definitely not as a touch-up. I bet my paint is totally not faded, and I bet we'll never be able to tell that I was here. But you know what we won't have? We won't have rust. Check for mistakes on the front. Result was pretty okay. Loosely in position, but moved over a bit. Got it, so as we're closing, let's hold it in position. Oh, I still feel it rubbing. So it looks like we might have to bend it. Still rubbing. Alright, so basically I'm going to bend the fuel door. Now I no longer feel it rubbing. Alright, so that's the intelligent way of solving the problem. No more rubbing. Observing a nice consistent gap here. Final tightening. No more egregious paint missing here.